Tired of stubborn stains and dirty furniture? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best portable upholstery cleaners on Amazon that can make your sofas, car seats, and cushions look brand new. From cleaning power to portability, I'll break down what makes each cleaner stand out. And yes, I'll be honest about the pros and cons. Let's get your upholstery sparkling. Number 1. Overall best pick. Bissell Little Green Pro Portable Carpet. The Bissell Little Green Pro Portable Cleaner, $31.94, is a compact and effective solution for tackling stains on carpets, upholstery, and car interiors. Its 3-inch tough stain tool allows for precise cleaning in tight spots, while the included trial-size formulas make it easy to get started. The cleaner is lightweight and portable, perfect for quick touch-ups or deep cleaning small areas. One standout feature is its powerful suction, which helps remove dirt and moisture efficiently. One downside is that the water tank is relatively small, requiring frequent refills during larger cleaning tasks. Overall, it's a reliable, convenient, and practical cleaner for home and auto use. Number 2. My second best pick, Hoover Clean Slate Plus Portable Carpet. The Hoover Clean Slate Plus Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner is a powerful and convenient solution for tackling tough stains on carpets, upholstery, and car interiors. Its strong suction effectively lifts dirt and moisture, while the versatile cleaning tools make it easy to reach tight spots, corners, and pet stains. The compact, portable design is perfect for quick touch-ups or regular maintenance. One downside is that it works best when paired with Hoover's cleaning solution, which adds ongoing cost. Overall, it's a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly portable cleaner that keeps your home and vehicle looking fresh and well-maintained. Number 3. My third best pick, Shark Stain Striker Hair Pro Portable Carpet. The Shark Stain Striker Hair Pro Portable Cleaner, PX251, is a top-notch solution for carpets, upholstery, area rugs, and car interiors. Its self-cleaning feature keeps the brushes clean and ready for the next use, while the included pet mess and hair tools make it ideal for pet owners. The 4 cleaning attachments allow you to tackle stains, spills, and embedded dirt with precision. The cleaner is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry and use in tight spaces. One downside is that the water tank is somewhat small, requiring frequent refills for larger cleaning jobs. Overall, it's efficient, versatile, and perfect for homes with pets. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. The Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner is a powerful and efficient tool for removing stains and odors from carpets, rugs, and upholstery. Its 2x suction power lifts embedded dirt and moisture effectively, while the lightweight, portable design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces or stairs. The cleaner is especially useful for pet owners, as it tackles stubborn pet stains and odors with ease. One downside is that the water and solution tanks are relatively small, requiring refills for larger areas. Overall, it's a durable, convenient, and highly effective portable spot cleaner that keeps your home fresh and clean. Number 5. Last but not least, my 5th best pick, VacMaster Portable Carpet. The VacMaster SCB301 400 Series Portable Spot Cleaner is a compact yet powerful tool for cleaning carpets, upholstery, area rugs, and pet messes. Its 15 kilopascal suction efficiently lifts dirt, debris, and moisture, while the versatile cleaning tools make it easy to tackle tight spaces, corners, and stubborn stains. The lightweight design adds portability, making it simple to move around the home or car. One downside is that the water tank is relatively small, requiring multiple refills for larger cleaning jobs. Overall, it's a reliable, effective, and user-friendly portable cleaner that delivers excellent results for pet owners and everyday stain removal. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite portable upholstery cleaners? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.